Nature Park. Known as the most popular picnic for Balikesir residents and visitors, provides peace with its magnificent nature on an area of 250 hectares. The area, which was used as a recreation area in 2011, was declared as a nature park on the 7th of November 2011 and taken under protection. Ortaka Creek, which divides the nature park into two, also provides a more beautiful view and natural beauty to the region. It is possible to come across animal species in the park that you cannot see in other places. You have the chance to observe them without disturbing them. There is a long walking track in Değirmenboğazı Nature Park. You can take a walk in touch with nature on this track. During this walk, the sound of Ortaka stream also gives you peace. Of course, in Değirmenboğazı, which is the first place that comes to mind when talking about picnics and barbecues, you can use the sitting places placed by the stream to take advantage of this opportunity. The fountains, toilets, and masjid around the picnic areas meet your necessary needs. In Adet, Nature Park is located on Park-Balikesir Highway. To go to the park, which is approximately 20 kilometers from the center of Balikesir, with your private car, take the D230 highway towards Bursa without entering the highway. From the big crossroads, continue in the direction of Susurluk, Bursa, Istan. Amenities for kids, picnic tables, public toilet, slides, swings,